So if you have a super low resolution image like this is a low resolution image. If you have any low resolution image like this, you can easily create a high resolution version with the help of AI. So to do that, you have to go to Google and search for GFP. So you have this GitHub repository. Go to that website. Below here you can see the updated online demo. Click on that. This is the site. So you have to drag your image file here. Here is the super low resolution image. So in the scale here we will select maybe 10 and click submit. Look here, the image is being generated. So this is a AI generated high resolution version of our low resolution image, and this is the low resolution version. So this is how you can easily create a high resolution version of your image. You can maybe edit it a little bit more, but this is a simple way to do it. And thank you folks for tuning in. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.